Alright, what's up YouTubers? This is Chronic X Film. I'm gonna teach you how to do Wom Realms. I'll set the link into the description. Alright, what first you have to do is go to Chrome. Hey Google. Do that. Go to Wom Client. Gonna say that over Minecraft. And then go sign in, it's gonna be right here. Or create a one. When we go all the way down, we're gonna have a link right this. Okay, so you go over here, you click create account, and you go ahead and do what it says. Where it says to enter your Minecraft username, just do that, and the 2 at the bottom, you don't have to do that. And then when you're done with that, you're going to be sent an email, and then you have to redirect your password. And then when you come back to the website, this is going to show up. And you just hit this and it's done. Okay, then what you do is exit out of that. Now the downloads are gonna be right here. In your downloads folder or wherever it is. The Wom Client. And get Wom.exe. It'll take a while to load. You log in your Minecraft username and password.